To wrap text around an image, we first need to add a placeholder. Move over to your tool palette and hold your finger down on the rectangular frame tool to give more options, and select the ellipsis frame tool so we can now draw a circle. If you hold down Alt, it will draw a perfect circle as you drag. To wrap text around the placeholder, go up to Window at the top menu and select Text Wrap. This will bring up the Text Wrap panel. Click the Wrap Around Object Shape button. With the shape still selected, click the Autofill button at the top window. We can now add our image. Select File and Place. Select your image and open. It will fit the image to the shape. To resize the circle, go back to your tool palette and select the Direct Select tool. And hold down Shift and drag the frame handles to adjust the size of the shape. You will notice the text reflows as you adjust the size of the shape. Keep adjusting the size and position until you're happy with the result.